I said empty your mind. Shoeless, like water.
Tell me what it gon' be. Can't trust nobody living in these streets. Keep my eyes on the prize, gotta feed my family. I got a whole lot of people depending on me. I gotta know, gotta know.
I'm a visionary man, my future I can see. While they praying on my downfall, I never skip a beat. When I jump up in the booth, I got to bring the heat. Yeah, I do it for my fans, I won't let them fall asleep. So give me the mic and turn on the track, and I'ma keep on running it back until I'm blowing it off the Mac. And to get the paper, watch it stack. Fake friends, gotta watch their actions. They slow-mo when I'm traction, they crashing while I'm passing to the streets. I'm a motherfucking beast. The rumble in the jungle, I'm hungry, I gotta eat. Always rise to my feet, never fall to defeat. It's destiny, I'm blessed to be repping my community. While haters keep waiting on my motherfucking eulogy.
Yeah, can't trust nobody living in these streets. Keep my eyes on the prize, gotta feed my family. I got a whole lot of people depending on me. I gotta know, gotta know.
My children are my strength, they feed my motivation. My struggle was my pain, but now it's my dedication. I wanna be remembered like the Twin Towers Bank, so I'm blowing music up like a motherfucking plane. Don't give a fuck what you say about me, and this is for anybody who ever doubt me. I keep my eyes on the prize and I'll never forget it. Yeah, I'm trying to go viral like a fucking pandemic. I'm trying to keep positive and get it out the moon. While they staring up the popper, don't you boil up my blood, because I came from the struggle, the ghetto beside the gutter where the kids play with knives and the police run for cover. Don't tell me we the same, you can't relate if you don't know. Ain't trying to glorify my past, tomorrow could be my last. School of hard knocks, what you don't learn in class. I only trust my brothers, cause bitches love the drama. Stab you behind your back and tell you that it's your karma. That's a lying ass bitch on some baby mama drama. I'll leave it in the rear view, my family depend on me. My destiny a clear view, so tell me what you gon' do. When shit hits the fan, you gotta keep pushing through with your head to the ceiling, rolling down the avenue. I know one thing for certain, and that shit's a fact. If you ain't keep it 100, you ain't got my back.
Can't trust nobody living in these streets. Keep my eyes on the prize, gotta feed my family. I got a whole lot of people depending on me. I gotta know, gotta know. Tell me what it gon' be. Can't trust nobody living in these streets. Keep my eyes on the prize, gotta feed my family. I got a whole lot of people depending on me. I gotta know, gotta know. Tell me what it gon' be.